this short while, we are going to introduce to you to another kind of marine mammal.
Spear. Dami tayo sa volcano ng ang western Indies. One of the more 146 species of birds of prey around the world. And here comes Shadow. They are locally known as Nari and Bandok in the Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they regularly return to its nest and mate. Habang nakita sa atak, guys, and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also for those who are in land and air as well. Now, from those three R's, it's reduce, and recycle versus. So here's how we're going to show us the proper waste disposal. Okay, come on, Rocky. See? If our outlets can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoy the show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in keeping them from exploitation or even extinction. Please let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we got. So let's present the birds and the leaders that make the show possible. Trainer Sean with Rocky. Trainer Sean with Shadow. And Trainer Jedrick with